6,000 emalangeni and capex ya 47,500,000.
Bonga Minister through you chair achievements la endile litiko siyakujabulela kakhulu kusebenza kwalo litiko kuyabonakala ukuthi kukhona lapho level yangakhona
alesine nayingana la endlini sawuna indvuna ikhona basabanye hey beninemangalo benisishela kuna nina ukuthi kubhalwe ukuthi kwathiwa ku social media kuphi kuphi ngisibabhale kuthini. And then saying it Honorable Chairperson, in the monetization, for the content creators, the platforms are about TikTok, YouTube, because TikTok has gained such momentum.
Sebabonge batonishwa abanengi shemeni ngekushintsha le parliament ibe sebantwini bakhona abantu labanengi kuyibona noma ke sebayikhalela ukuthi siyacela sinala edinzamenta ka TV ingene ito khona kubonakala
labanye vele sebatibukela labo YouTube lokana lokho but kukhona labasakudzinga vele kakhulu emakhaya bese ngibuya kuna indzaba yekuhlanganisa kwaleti teshi letimbili shothi lo TV nalo msakato and mina ke ngicela ukuku encourage kuyindvo lenhle
nje ka igovernment lengibuta kakhulu kwekuthi ngabe nje ngoba naku sinehlelo lalo luthi taking parliament to the people ngangikhumbula igovernment bekana iCommonent kwekuthi kwatekene kwekuthi ema bills kwa tracker kuthi oh uyati le bill enceye nje
indzaba ye library mhlonishwa wakolomahasha hawu lasahambile bese ngifuna ku answer her, but we do have 3 functional libraries. Siyayati akalomahasha lenhlupheko nathi ngeyethu ngoba phela siyati ukuthi ama libraries tinkundla emaposi we are very focused on using them not only for being libraries and tinkundla but for being areas of learning, areas of excellence, areas of emaswati to be able to access information nama services akahulumende. So vele sibuhlungu lokuthi we're not able to get the kind of money to be able to do everything that we need to do. Siyafuna ukuthi everybody have access to information ne local content but ke kulukhulu ngoba nanibuka yithi imali nje lesinikwe tona we really are doing the impossible with very little financial resources. Eshiselweni ke salungisa as you know but lo mahasha naye we'll just keep trying and just keep pushing. But asikhona lokuthi sikwende konke lokunye lesifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi cyberbullying training bekubute mhlonishwa Mtokiza babehlophe when I have to respect him in the house ESCOM is very involved in the training cyberbullying nokuthi banifana nalabadala ukuthi what should they be doing and always sending out information through radio and other elements by etikolweni by everywhere nathi setinkundleni to go and teach about this. Kukhona lo bhuti ngenzaba yaka EPTC naka RSTP ngenzaba ama forensics ngicela ukuthi answerisha tonke ngithi shwambulele together if you don't mind. Ema forensic reports bahlonishwa akachamuki ka RSTP I mean ka Ministry of ICT or from any ministry siye sihlase sesiceliwe ukuthi siyogwena noma sibona ukuthi kudinga ukuthi kwendiwe sihambe siye office ka AG ngiboke laba thola labantu lama consultants ngibo laba nase kureportwa kubo bese kuthina ke sesiyathola ke nani base parliament nathola ukuthi le report ithini iphetheni le yase RSTP sake serve ukuthi seyifikile nga September last year we don't know ukuthi seyingakuphi but sine sengayitholi so we don't know le yaka EPTC ngathi samele ukuthi officer ka AG liyofuna abantu so we are kind of depending kulelinye linakhundla la hulumende mhlambe nabo babethe imali angadi. I cannot answer the question lecelwe ngumhlonishwa wasembabane East ukuthi labantu laba bayatiwa noma batiwa. I don't know ngoba abakhethwa ngithi, so I couldn't tell you kwanyalo ukuthi what kind of characters they are. I really don't know, Mhlonishwa, through you, Chair. Lokunye lokubutiwe ukuthi indzaba ye-merger yaka television naka radio sifuna kunika assurance bahlonishwa ukuthi as we are working on this, we are really going to try as much as we can to respect Section 87, ukuthi no one must be left worse off than they were. Siyazama vele ukuthi le merger ibe something that's effective and bantu bakwadi ukuthi babe respected during that process. Kwanyalo nje sakusoloko sasebenza lama consultants, we still haven't finished the entire process for now. Indzaba essential services, sazama ukuthi singenise kwathiwa no asibele emuva sifake abaka labor nabaka public service, so sikhuluma nabo ke nyalo ukuthi how can they assist us in this area. Lenye lebutwe nguye umhlonishwa babehlophe honorable Hlophe indzaba ye mainframe. Indzaba ye mainframe bahlonishwa is really quite important for all of us ngoba iphethe yonke lenhlitiyo yelive. Ngeke sikwadi ukuthi sibe ne complete security if we don't have the mainframe working effectively. Sicelele imali ka finance ukuthi basinikete ukuthi at least ngoba sikwadi ukuthi abakakhona ukusinika imali usithengele ensha ukuthi lele sinayo sikwadi ukuthi silungilungise. Nyalo ma mainframes are AI activated, so you really can be able to get quite a lot to the integration. You don't have to do the apps yakatseni. But at the same time, how do we fix the mainframe? It's really, really critical. All government services are held in that mainframe. I do agree, if we're able to turn the post office around, I think lokuti liposi libe strong with infrastructure, libe strong with e-commerce, at some point maybe even make it a bank for those who are underserved. But we need to be able to get to a point where we are agreeing ukuthi iposi lidinga ukuthi libe ne transformation. Ngoba kwanyalo selilo ngeposi nakatseni. Umhlonishwa ke ngithanda kakhulu wasengutseni will give me a hard time, but that's what we'd like to be able to see, the possibly revived and being able to compete and be a service offering effective for our good country. Lokunye lengibutwe ngako indzaba yaka speech from the throne, we do want, you know, if I close my eyes and think about this country in 5 years' time, it would really be nice if the entire country was off analog. It would really be nice if we were able to have the country digitized. Ngoba lokunye, it's not just lokuthi kumnanzi ukuhlola amagama abo digitized nani. We are able to engage, I think if RSTP, for example, was really allowed to be operating at its maximum, we could do the procurement system, and be able to track those things and not use paperwork. We'd be able to ensure accountabilities, my ministries onge, because we have that kind of system with my dashboard. We'd be able to also sibe nema systems lahlukahlukene asanaka hulumende. You know, ukhuluma mhlonishwa lushaba ngizaba ema passport ukuthi ngoyingama talked about ema passport la digital. Logo is in another ministry. We need, as a country, government in your hand, we urgently need to do a digital ID that's biometrically driven, so that we can add on more into the system. But kwanyalo sisabambekile ngoba kunaleyo understanding ukuthi who does what and when. So lokunye bese kubakhulunyana nje kuleyo department. I'm sure baka Home Affairs but asibambisa kuleyo department kuleyo area, hopefully. Lokunye lokubutiwe ukuthi RSTP CEO lena ngayikhuluma Chair ebaza bathi ngakhala ngakakhali, but anyway ukuthi we've lost 2 good years. RSTP, we're never going to get those years back. it's the most unfortunate thing for a person like me who's very delivery and results oriented. Ngifuna kuyimeja ngale ndzaba lena yabo CEO ngoba khona lo bute umhlonishwa lo bute ndzaba bo CEO. Mina I assume bahlonishwa ukuthi uma kwento yama approvals kuthi kwakhiwe parastatal kusuke kuthiwe le parastatal itakwati ukuthi work better than being in government. Taba faster, taba profitable, timali batabuka even more closely, and itaba kwati ukuthi itimele. Okay, mhlambe after a year or two, but I always think ukuthi and understand ukuthi the process to get to being a parastatal ngulapho. Manje ke if that's what you're going to do, it then follows ukuthi bo CEO bethu, they've got to be CEOs who know how to make money. Ngeke uthi after 2-3 years solo kuyancelwa kuhulumende kuyancelwa, then maybe it should not be a parastatal. You can't call yourself a CEO when you're just receiving money. You've got to be what's called a profit and loss person. Ukwati ukuthi ukwati wanda le profit, you are able to manage losses, you are able to be responsible with the money that you're getting from your clients, but to depend continuously on government, then to me, angisho njenga senator noma njenga minister, give me as a business person, it doesn't make sense. But that's just to me. I think that we should get to a point when we're hiring CEOs, kulama scope of works. Sisho ukuthi yemhlobo, sitakunika le target lena. The institution ina itengisho na 10 emalangeni, sitakunika 2 years isikinike imali, but after that, sicela ukuthi ube na target leka so, leka so, leka so. And then you're able to judge that particular individual based on those targets. I think anybody can receive money and be asked to spend it. But CEOs should make money for institutions. That's the whole point. That's why you get paid more than anybody else. It's because you're able to make more money. So, uma ungakhoni, in my book, I don't think you are, or you should be called that. But again, that's what my experience of a CEO is. We are looking, Bahlonishwa Kutsi, for the CEO ka RSTP. You've asked this question. I'm going to answer it as best as I possibly can. We've lost the 2 years, as I said. It's not acting CEO. Could have had a CEO, but there's been a lot of back and forth. Kunemhlonishwa lapha wase cabinet noma ngabeka inhloko phansi uyati mhlawumbe ulukhuni because maybe lokubuya ku minister ICT is never good enough. And perhaps that's the problem. But as it stands right now, you know, we don't know, Noma Sala acting, are we allowed to go back into the market? We don't know. And then it looks like it's personal. I find it all very unfortunate. I find it very, meaning, it was to really drive change with everybody else. It was to really make sure, especially digitalization, opportunities. We're still building computer labs. Really, computers that's really where the world is now. But okay, that's what we do. So, Masekutsi, why RSTP, CEO, RSTP in the act yayo, let's see, go logo digitized. Akahulumende. Funa when doing RSTP. Gonge. Ingwenyama, my understanding is that in 2022, wakipa ligama, eli command, lelitse gonge logo RSTP, logo kahulumende. Funa kube when doing RSTP. So makumabo if that was done, we'd have been able to train more people. We are working in Rwanda, but we really have been able to go much further. Ngwenyama informed a lot to do with the RSTP Act. So in RSTP, perhaps is the reason, I'm not going to lie. I'm beyond lying. I can't lie. I'm probably the most challenged minister there is. So sometimes ngicela tinto siyafuna ukutenda, but sometimes the challenge. So I'm not going to lie about that. And I think everybody is kind of aware of that. Indaba ye-budget bahlonishwa, ngicela ukukhuluma ukuthi nonke we really want ukuthi sifike etindzabeni teni etikolweni, etibhedlela, in all areas, but kulukhuni ngoba yincane le mali yethu. So lokuthi we were able to sifike etinkundleni is really a big thing for us. But we continue to see how we can partner with people to assist us, how we can stretch the langeni, but vele, it's not easy. The team, luckily for us, we've got a very experienced team. They're able to really,
Honorable Shaba.
Honorable Chair, mhlambe with the permission of the House, bengacela ukuthi in as much as we still have time until 5, but bengacela ukuthi yini indvuna ingasibhaleli pass for purposes of record. Manje nje bese yenza kuna imbuto yaseMbabane East naseMaiwane la ilebe specific to her, otherwise the leminye imbuto bahlanganise tinhloko netindvuna hayi ngoba angasi capable of answering, but isibalo ukuthi sesicela sikhathi khona sina yeah Chair ngiyabonga.
Not honorable. Siyavuma. Qhubeka honorable. Wind up. Bese usifakela in writing.
thank you, Chair. We will definitely respond, Siyabonga Babelu Shava. Two things, there's two questions that Babane East, Umhlonishwa. Gutsi, and Lalom Umhlonishwa first, Butile Gutsi, is it allowed to Gutsi Bo Minister Ba Onema paper? I don't think we have any limitations, Gulogo. I think Gutsi, Maui Competition Commission yet to say clearly I think anybody is allowed to own anything. I really don't know what's logo exclusive in that. I cannot say where they edit and what does it really happen? But you know, if I'm not in the bed or under the bed, I really cannot help you with the correct answer. So I'm not at all logo. Yekugcina indzaba yokuthi you're terrible people, y'all. I can confirm to the affirmative that I was fired. I was told to leave, and like a business person, I did contact the Attorney General to say, well, listen, send me what's the Attorney General, because listen, I don't know how the procedures work. And then he said, no, you can't go because the person that fired you was not the person that hired you. So, William 17, you said, but it's not easy for me. It's been 2 years of torture. Thank you. But I still believe that this country can do well. I still believe if we don't focus on personalities, we really can go very far as a country. Siyabonga bahlonishwa.
Siyabonga kakhulu Honorable Minister ngama responses. Sitaqani sibhalele njengoba ngishilo Thursday close of business. Meeting stands adjourned.